Residents of the Mission Bay neighborhood of San Francisco have filed a class action lawsuit against the city over hazardous streets and sidewalks. KCBS's Kathy Novak explains.
It's an area of the city that was built on landfill, and the sidewalks are sinking and cracking.
All of which become not only an eyesore, but a tripping hazard and otherwise just a problem for the whole area.
Daniel Rottinghaus is the attorney representing property owners.
Nobody's looking, I think, for a big payday.
He says they're coming together because the city has so far said that it is not responsible for fixing sidewalks for private property. So they're suing to
force the government to come and do what they should have done in the first instance and then maintain the property the way it should be maintained, where the sidewalks are not breaking away, not sloping away from the properties.
A spokesperson for the city attorney's office said in a statement, "We are reviewing the complaint and will respond in court." In San Francisco, Kathy Novak, KCBS.